Synergy Worldwide is dedicated to helping you unlock your potential and achieve elite health. Elite health is the pinnacle of wellness, where age does not dictate ability. It's about having the energy to push yourself to see more, do more, and be more, no matter the stage of life you're in. It's stepping into every new decade with new ambition. It's the freedom to live without limitation, and it's through a healthy mind and body that this freedom is realized. How you achieve elite health begins with a focus on what makes every person unique and functional. You see, within every body, there is something particularly incredible going on that you may not realize. Your body is happily hosting 100 trillion microorganisms. In other words, your body is like a bustling city, home to a thriving community of microscopic, living, hard-working microbes. In fact, only 10% of your body contains your DNA. The other 90% of you is bacteria, fungi, microflora. This is your microbiome. It's your inner ecosystem featuring over 10,000 identified species. As these species are being further identified by science, and as the human microbiome is beginning to be explored, amazing things are being discovered and the buzz is building. It's truly an exciting time. And why is it exciting? Why are experts around the world so intensely focused on the microbiome? And why should we start to now care and think about the trillions of organisms that live inside of us? Because studies are showing that when you feed your microbiome the right way and take care of your microbiome health, your body benefits in the most amazing, even surprising ways. And it all starts inside your gut. After all, it's the path taken by everything you've ever eaten or drank. And your gut isn't just about digesting foods. It's home to billions of microbes, and these microbes can work for you or against you. A healthy gut, made possible by a well-balanced microbiome, can lead to a variety of overall health benefits, including improved weight management, emotions, memory, and immunity. The gut microbiome is even connected to the health of neighbor organs, including your heart, skin, and reproductive system. By eating to purify, fortify, and protect your gut health, you'll be enhancing the overall social network of microbes alive inside of you now. For too long, the important bacterium within people has been ignored. Instead, temporary solutions and bandage treatments have become the norm, treatments that deal with what we now know to be merely symptoms of an imbalanced, impure microbiome. But now, with a focus and an understanding on the root of our health, can we really transform the way we feel and function? Experts are saying yes. Consider a recent study conducted using 4 sets of twin sisters. In each set, one twin happened to be lean, while the other was obese. Scientists carefully took intestinal bacteria from each sister, a sample of their microbiome, and implanted it into germ-free mice, siblings of the same litter. The microbes from the gut of the lean sister were put into one mouse, and the mouse remained lean. On the other hand, the microbes that came from the gut of the obese sister dramatically affected their new host, and the mouse got fat. Though both groups of mice exercised and were fed the same foods, the microbiome held the power to transform its host. And it's a power over much more than just weight. It's about optimal metabolic function. It's about elite health. This study is just one of many. Experts throughout the world are now studying and experimenting with the microbiome, looking to harness its power. One of those experts is Dr. Matthew Tripp, a pioneer in metabolic research. This chief scientific officer continues a meritorious career of clinical trial, research, discovery, and patents at the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation, where he and his team investigate the microbiome, testing efficacious formulas and overseeing the scientific discovery of Synergy Worldwide. Synergy is ready to transform lives by giving people what they need to purify, fortify, and protect their microbiome. With Synergy, you can unlock your potential and achieve elite health.